Hey there, welcome back to the Launch Program, and this new module is going to be all about creating your first product, productizing your business, and specifically creating your first course. So let's jump into your first product, creating a high impact and profitable online course for your business. So why Productize? Well, productizing your business is all about creating a product, an asset that is scalable for your business. So why would you productize? Well, number one, leverage. This allows you to keep your business small, but with the impact and reach of a large business. So you can serve a larger range of customers in different stages, and it gives you the ability to capture what you know and package it into something that doesn't require you to be there in a one-to-one fashion that ties up your expertise and your time into one place. So if you have a client with the one-to-one service-based model, then all of your time and energy is dedicated to that one client. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, especially if it's a high-ticket offering, something that's making you $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 per client. That's a good use of your time. But it's still important to leverage your skills, your expertise, and your time so that you can have something that can scale and bring in more revenue and customers in a higher impact way, so that you're not only tied up with one client at a time. Another argument for productizing your freelance business or incorporating productization is predictability and impact. So a one-person consultancy can use productization to create revenue, predictability, and consistency, qualify new customers, and funnel them into your core service, which allows you to scale your operation to new heights, generate passive income, and solve problems and create impact at scale. So you could be a small one-person shop with maybe an assistant or two, with the systems in place, a product in place, generating income from your core service, but also generating income in an automatic fashion and serving people all without you having to be there. So that allows you to grow your business in a significant way and create impact in a significant way. So productization is a really good thing to have within your freelance business. So here are some different types of products that you can incorporate. So there are productized services. These are services that are repetitive and standardized in nature, often have the exact same outcome for clients, regardless of who they are. So productized services can be delivered in a semi-automated fashion by you, or if you want some leverage here and you want to be able to scale yourself, or rather bring yourself out of working in the weeds and rather working on your business, not in it, then you can train a team member to deliver the service or the productized service for you. Examples of this would include templatized websites, standardized design services, road mapping, consulting sessions, lead generation services, sales page copywriting, ghostwriting, and so on. Another product, of course, would be the online course. This is packaging your intellectual capital and expertise into a digital asset that can be marketed, purchased, and delivered 100% on autopilot. Some other types of products would be books. These are pretty self-explanatory. You write a book, you sell the book, you make commissions or royalties, you build authority, and you join the speaking circuit, you promote your business, and so on. You get the idea here. Software and apps, so web applications, apps for smartphones, games, software as a service, templates, calendars, workbooks, and so on. So you can also package and create various smaller digital assets, productivity tools, calendars, plugins, and so on that can act as an introductory product, be sold for a low ticket price, and delivered in a one-to-many fashion. And of course, sold, marketed, and delivered on autopilot, creating a consistent, steady revenue source on the side to supplement your revenue and so on. Now, the product we're going to explore in this module is online courses. Online courses is packaging your intellectual capital and expertise into a digital asset. You're currently consuming an online course right now, and I'm sure you've heard of online courses. Why would you use online courses, and why are we focusing on online courses? Because it's a scalable one-to-many business model. It's relatively easy to produce. You can make it as complicated as you want to be, but we're going to give you some direction on the right way of doing it at this stage in your business. It can generate passive income stream. It's an authority building tool. It can act as a lead into your core offering. So somebody purchases your introductory offering, which is your course, and that can funnel them into your core offering, which is high ticket and high profit. An excellent business model for freelancers and consultants. I have also, the reason why I'm choosing this to show you how to do this is because I have a significant experience and success using the online course model in my own business. I've been doing it for years, and I can provide guidance and expertise you won't find in just a general blog post, tutorials, and so on by people who haven't done this to the capacity I have before. So I can pass on what I know, what works and what doesn't, so that you can skip a whole bunch of steps that I had to go through in order to figure out how to do it right. Also, you have expertise, knowledge, and experience that can be packaged into a digital asset. This is called your intellectual capital, and it's very valuable. And if you don't package it into an asset, then you can't replicate what you know and create something that's tangible and scalable and also very profitable. Also, online courses is not just for bloggers or online creators or whatever. Though this model is popular with bloggers and content creators, online courses are excellent authority building and profit generating methods for service-based business owners who are used to delivering their offerings in a one-to-one fashion and would like to either switch from one-to-one to a one-to-many model or incorporate a one-to-many scalable model within their business, which is what I recommend using my triple threat methodology, where you have an introductory product, your course, you have your core offering, which is a high ticket, high impact service, and then a recurring model on the back end, like a continuity, retainers, subscriptions, and so on. The content, production, funnel, and marketing. These are the fundamental components of what your course will include. So the content, this is the topic, the training material, the goal, the pricing, the outcome, what I call, or what has been called, the big promise. This is the meat of your course. This is what really matters. Then there's production. So this is the software, the tech, the tools, the gear, the performance required to deliver your course. So this is what's going to, the vehicle for delivering your course, essentially. So you've created and captured your intellectual capital into good content, but now you need to deliver it. And so what do you use for recording it, for filming, if that's the route we're going to take? What about the performance, which is another aspect that a lot of tutorials and other courses that talk to you about courses, the performance is a part that's not incorporated into the production value. So this is the vehicle in which you'll deliver your asset, your course. And then the funnel. So this is smart nurturing, pitching, and selling your course on autopilot. So webinars, video sales letters, workshops, evergreen, date-based launches, evergreen launches, behavior-triggered launches. There's lots of different methods, and we'll jump into that in the following lessons. And then there's marketing. This is how you get your course in front of your target audience. So you got marketing, which is going to get your product in front of your audience. The funnel is going to carry them through to buying it. The production is what's going to deliver your product to your customer, your client, your student. And the content is what they're going to consume and achieve the outcome of what you're promising. So that's the overview for what you're going to learn in this module. It's going to be a heavy hitting one. And it's also going to be, I think, incredibly valuable and even transformational for you and your business once you realize that you can incorporate online courses into your freelance coaching, consulting, and service-based business. And I think it's going to be a complete game changer for you. So I'm excited to jump in to this material. Cheers.